Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Computer Science, Class 5, Lesson 2 and Part 2. Today we will do what is folder. A folder is nothing but a plastic folder, you can say, in which you can put all your papers or all your files. A folder can be compared to a container or to a plastic folder. We usually store other uh, our important paper documents such as circulars etc. in a plastic folder. Similarly, a folder may contain one or several files. A folder is not a file but it can contain several files. As you can see, this is a plastic folder and you can put many files or many circular or many pages in it. So we can compare or we can understand what is a folder with the help of these plastic boxes. This is a big box. Like you can understand, this is a folder. We can put a folder, a file in the folder. A folder is also in the this bigger folder also. It means a folder can have another folder and files also, and that another folder can have folder and files also. Folder always helps us to organize our files and folders in the computers. What is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about file, folder and drives. It allows us to manage and organize our files and folders. We can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. We know there are so many files and folders are here in our computer. If we have to search any file and folder, it is a very difficult task because we did not remember the files and folders after a longer time. So Windows Explorer help us to search any files, folders and drives. It is also used to view our file, create a new file, delete a file or folder, copy a file and folder, move, rename and search files and folders. Now see how to open Windows Explorer. Go to Start, All Programs, Accessories and Windows Explorer. This is the overview of the Windows Explorer. When Windows Explorer will open, you can see here the drives or folders. Folder has always a yellow color name and file doesn't have any color. This is the address bar and the toolbar. This is the search bar and view buttons, and this is the display of files and folders area, and these are the subfolders. Viewing files and folders. When you will open Windows Explorer, there will be a button, View button. When you will click on View button, you can see your files and folders in different views. Like extra large icons, they will come in a very bigger size. Large icon, medium icons, small icons, list icons. List means you can see only the names. Details. In details, you can see the name of the file, the size of the file, in which date you have created the file, all the details you can get. Tiles and content view also. How to create a new folder. This is a Windows Explorer look. When you will open the Windows Explorer, there will be a button New Folder. Select your drive in which you want to create a new folder. Like if you want to create a folder in the document, in the pictures, in the music, in the video, in the C drive, on the D drive, just select the drive and click on new folder. A new folder will be created here. And another method is right click on the blank area like this, and there will be a new then folder. A new folder can also be created like this. copying files and folder. Copying means to create a duplicate copy of that file and particular folder. This is the Windows Explorer. We can create a copy of this. Select the folder and there will be a copy button here. Copy, then right click on the area and paste. In the same way, right click, select the folder. In the from the right click button there will be a copy, and then right click on the mouse, then there will be a paste option, so that you can copy to a file and a folder also. Moving a file and folder. Moving means changing the original location to a new location. Means we can move a file and a folder from one place to another. Open the Windows Explorer, choose the file and folder which you want to move, right click, then cut, and go to new location, right click, and then paste. Then we have opened two windows. One window is this, one is this. We had cut this file and folder and paste it in the new location. Cut and paste, moving from one place to another. Thank you for today's session.